Welcome or welcome back. It's your girl Tasha and I'm back with another video. This is for anybody that is considering doing a big chop because you just feel like your hair is dying, there's no coming back, you just feel like there's no recovery. Let me tell you, I was there. I was a straight natural for the longest time, you guys. I don't even remember having curly hair. I would just have like big hair and there would be a little bit of curl in it because I didn't know how to deal with my hair. I didn't know what products to put in my hair. I just know that I kept it really simple. I just always had long hair. But if you are considering cutting your hair and you're just like you need to do a big chop, I just want you to consider what I'm talking about today. It can help if you have time and you just have a little bit of patience with your hair, okay? Honestly, please believe me when I say I was in my daughter's room and I was just complaining to her and I'm just like, Kylie, I think I have to cut my hair off. It won't curl. Like, what do? I just always saw natural curly hair and I'm like, man, I just want some curls in my hair. Like, I want some real curls. When I tell you my hair would not do this, I didn't think my hair could do this, you guys. And I'm gonna show you guys the products that I used and it literally made me have some curls. It makes me have some hope. I do this all the time, you guys. It's a matter of training back your curls. You can train your curls back to life if you've been a straight natural for a long time. If you use excessive heat, when I tell you I never used heat protected, and I think that was kind of like my downfall when my hair just got really dry and brittle over time. Honestly, you guys, like, look, this is day one. I literally separated these, but I don't like separating it a lot on the first day because I want my curls to last for the week, because like I said, my hair is not used to these curls. But I trained it to do this, you guys. Like, I literally brought it back to like no joke. I've been doing this to my hair for literally over a year. Hasn't even been 2 years. I feel like over time it is getting better. I realized when I changed my shampoo and conditioner, it was a huge game changer to the way my hair felt. So these shampoos and conditioners really helped me, opposed to using the ones that I usually bought in the drugstore or Walmart, like the Doves and stuff like that. They're good, but if you're like me who had dry hair, I would always straighten it. I stopped using those, and to be honest, it works so well in my hair and my kids' hair. But let me show you guys. Let me show you. So I would use products like this, you guys. This is completely done, so you know I would go through my Carol's Daughter Curl Enhancing Moisture Butter, and this is an empty bottle, you guys. It's an empty bottle, and sometimes I would literally curl my hair with just this alone. Too much light, sorry guys. I would literally just use this stuff, you guys. And like you could see, drained out. So I just finished this one, but when I don't have this one, I would also use this one. I just bought this one back because it's literally, if I see that one in Walmart or if I see this one in Walmart. I don't have the hair store near me anymore, but Walmart carries these hair products. Walmart has some good natural hair products, and I have some shorts on my page where I can show you, where it shows you guys Walmart products that I do use that are really good for my natural hair. But the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, this is another one that works so well, you guys. And if you cannot see them well on the screen, I'll also make sure that I leave them in the description box below. This is not a sponsored video, you guys. I'm just literally showing you guys what I have used, and it's really helped my hair. And like I said, it's the simple things. I just use this to curl my hair. I only use this and whatever else I'm showing you now, not the other one because it was finished. So this, and my brush is like a mess, you guys, but like I use this knockoff Denman brush that I got from the hair store for so long. It literally like rips apart, like it's a mess. But I show you guys my curly hair routine. I'll also leave it in the description box on how I use this brush. But this brush literally has been training my curls to come back to life. I tried to use other brushes, but I don't like the way that the curls turn out. I really like the way that the curls turn out with this. I use my silk scarf overnight and then I just loosen up the curls. Like I said, this gets bigger after a few days. I don't like to separate it a lot in the beginning because I just want my hair to last, and it's in the training process. What I noticed with these products is that it gives my hair so much moisture. My hair would lack moisture with all the straightening and all the heat that I'll put on my hair with no protection. My hair was just slowly dying on me. I also trim it when I need to trim it. Last night I actually trimmed off an inch off of it because the ends were just not looking so great and I just felt like it needed a little bit more body, and it really did help. I feel like if I did another inch inch, it would look even better. But I'm the type of person, because I do it myself, like if I'm sitting here this week and I'm just like, you know what, I actually see where I need to cut it, I would probably trim another inch off if I feel like it needs to. But like the star of the show, you guys, the star of the show, so if you made it this far, this is a game changer, okay? And it's so simple, you guys. This spray bottle with water, and you could also add a little bit of oils of your choice. I would either use like natural virgin olive oil or a little dab of castor oil, just the oil that works well in your hair. And you want to drench your hair with water, okay? So I put it in sections. I spray a whole bunch of this water. I put in my curl enhancing smoothie. I spread it through, and then I use my brush, which if you want, you can check out the video. I'll make sure I'll also pin it at the end of this video just in case, you know. So I'll put it at the end and you'll see it at the top when this video is done. You want to use your brush, or you want to do the finger curls. If you know how to do it with your fingers and let it out, you just want to train back your curls. Lots of water. Don't go easy on the water. Go a lot on the water, because it helps this stuff. It just really helps this to go in your hair and create the curls. When I tell you guys I had no curls, my hair was dead. I thought it wasn't coming back to life. I probably would have had about half the hair that I had now if I honestly did not try to just take a shot at it. But yeah, you guys, look. It feels healthy, it looks healthy, it looks good. I didn't have to do a big chop. So I really hope that this helps you. Now this is just for somebody who's thinking that their big chop is just the only result that they have left. Try things, see if your hair just needs a little help to bounce back. This is simple. This is one product and some water and a brush, you guys. So sometimes less is more, like I said. When I tell you my hair was like straw, it was like straw. And look, I hope this video helps you guys out. I hope it helps somebody out there who, you know, they really don't want to do that big chop. Like, hair is hair, it will grow back, and maybe you do need that big chop for it to come back healthy. Like, you know, if you do need to go that route, you go that route. But if you just want to see if you can give your hair a chance, because to me hair is expensive, and not only is it expensive, my scalp is very sensitive. So even if I was to buy hair, I'd have to be buying some expensive hair right now. If I can save my hair, I'm honestly save my hair, because hair is not cheap. I know people say hair is hair, but like, I have a big head and my hair helps me out. I don't care. Like, I need my hair, okay? Like, I need my hair. I'm used to my hair. But if you have to chop it off, I've cut my hair growing up. I've cut it like here, I've had bangs, I've had it like up to here in high school and stuff like that. So like, it's normal to cut your hair. But if you're trying to save it, like, try this out. Try to use some more water. Try to keep it simple. Use products like Shea Moisture. Shea Moisture is one of my favorite brands for my hair right now, and it's affordable. Honestly, 9 out of 10 times when I go into Walmart, this stuff is on sale. This was like less than 15 bucks. This was $12.97. It usually has a red tag when I go into Walmart. Like, knock on wood, like, it better be on sale when I go back, but it's usually on sale. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Also, don't forget to press that hype button. It really does help me out. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.